Hello, this is my AI2 project. My idea. This project was inspired by a school lockdown. It gives you feedback on how you do in the game, and it could help in real life too. What did I learn and use for this project? During class, I learned about AI and more about how to use Unity and the U modeler, which was used in my game. First, using AI. This is just a picture of the AI giving feedback. And then the U modeler that's built into Unity helped me make different objects in my project. Code example. This first script is for a scenario trigger component that initializes references to UI elements like scenario canvas, the player object in its FPS controller during the start method. It includes commented out code for the unneeded parts that may mess up the game if not commented. The second one is the FPS controller script. Um, it's the script that handles player movement and camera rotation in a first-person perspective. It includes variables for speed, gravity, and camera limits, initializes a character controller in the start function, and updates movement and in rotation in rotation logic based on input and update function. And now I'll be showing my demo.
I have to pick up Jamie right now. So I will come back. That's fine, continue, I'll cut it out, that's fine.
Okay, this is my demo. Okay, so when you first start, you're just in this room, and then there's barriers here, so you can't walk through here, and you just keep walking forward. And then it gives you a text, a lockdown has started in the school, and an alarm is going off. What should you do? And I'm gonna click go next to the bookshelf by the door, which is right there. And if I go here, then another pop-up will happen. You have now reached a safe space. What should you do? Help your teacher close the shades or sit down and wait for instructions. With that, the lockdown is now over. What should you do? Click that. Okay, and then now I have this. You can go to the door to complete the scenario. So the door's right here. And now I can click this get AI feedback button. So now it's just inputting everything into the chat GPT and loading the response. So now we wait. And this is an FPS controller. Okay, now it's just giving me feedback. Like, I said, like, to go next to the bookshelf, and you should say quiet. Yeah, and that's like, it just gives feedback, and that's all for the demo. And back to the slides. My favorite part about this working on this project was the part where we set up the AI feedback, which was in the demo. That part where it gave me feedback. And if I were to continue this project, I would improve it and I would add more scenarios, and I'd update the feedback screen because it looks kind of ugly. And then I would add more complex questions like for the for the triggers. Thank you.